Hello, I'm going to show you a simpler way to put on the Magpul SL handguards. I see people struggle with them online and I haven't seen this solution on there. Normally when you use your handguard removal tool, you would install it in the magazine well, and you don't have the clearance on these handguards when you engage that to pull these free. And so you can get the top one off that way, but in order to get this one off, it's good to have a pair of shoes, or if you've only done it, sorry I put that on the wrong way, or if you've only got a pretty strong leg here, you can kind of go like, put some leverage on it here, pull down, and you've got the bottom one removed. Installation would be the reverse. Get that under there. These are tricky kind of anyway. I always kind of turn it sideways. Make sure you engage that front ring. Get it up in there, you hear it kind of snap. And then you would kind of put your leg down on here and engage that delta ring. And we're back on.